Drinking cucumber juice regularly can have several potential benefits for your body. Cucumber juice is hydrating and packed with nutrients like vitamins K, C, and B, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. Here's what might happen if you make cucumber juice a part of your daily routine. Hydration. Cucumber juice has a high water content, which helps keep your body hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions and overall health. Nutrient intake. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, contributing to your daily nutrient intake. For example, vitamin K supports bone health and blood clotting, while vitamin C is important for immunity and skin health. Antioxidants. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Digestive health. Cucumber juice might aid digestion due to its fiber content, potentially helping with bowel regularity and preventing constipation. Skin benefits. Some people find that consuming cucumber juice regularly can contribute to healthier skin due to its hydrating properties and vitamin content. Weight management. Cucumber juice is low in calories and can be a good addition to a weight management plan, especially if it replaces higher calorie drinks. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in cucumber juice may help regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. This can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Detoxification. Cucumber juice is often considered a natural diuretic, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body through increased urine production. However, there isn't robust scientific evidence specifically supporting cucumber juice as a detoxifying agent. Reduced inflammation. Some research suggests that certain compounds in cucumbers might have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially assisting in reducing inflammation in the body. Improved hair and nail health. The silica content in cucumbers could contribute to stronger hair and nails, promoting their health and growth. Alkalizing effect. Cucumbers are considered alkaline-forming in the body, which may help balance the body's pH levels, although the impact might be minimal compared to other dietary factors. Refreshing and satisfying. Cucumber juice is refreshing and can be a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, helping you stay hydrated and satisfied without consuming excess calories. Potential blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cucumbers may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. This could potentially benefit individuals managing diabetes or those aiming to stabilize their blood glucose levels. Support for eye health. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which may contribute to maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of age-related eye issues. Improved hydration for exercise. Due to its high water content and electrolytes like potassium, cucumber juice can be a refreshing choice for hydration during or after exercise, helping replenish fluids and essential minerals lost through sweat. Aids in reducing bad breath. Cucumbers are known to contain compounds that can help freshen breath. Incorporating cucumber juice into your routine might contribute to combating bad breath. Gut health support. The presence of certain nutrients and fiber in cucumber juice may support a healthy gut microbiome, promoting good digestion and overall gut health. Potential for stress reduction. While not a direct cause, the hydration and nutrient content in cucumber juice might contribute to overall well-being and potentially aid in stress reduction.